to my channel. My name is Jordan. Today we are going to be opening up our fall FabFitFun box and I'm so excited. I actually got this a couple days ago, but I wanted to open it on camera, so I just let it sit there and tempt me. Let's open this up. I'm freaking obsessed with FabFitFun. I always saw it on like Instagram and stuff, and it just seemed too expensive, but my friend Maggie was like, sis, it's worth it, just do it. So I got a starter box from her for $5, and the starter boxes are like 4 products, and it just like gives you a taste of like what FabFitFun is about and like what it's like. But so I did that, and then I got my first box. It was like last winter, I think, was when I started. That was when I got my first box. And I was like, wow, this is so much stuff. Like there was one thing specifically that, I think it was the, I don't know how to say it, Oribe, I don't know. That brand, dry shampoo is $50. I was like, dang, this is an expensive dry shampoo, but that was in there. And I was like, this alone is $50. And there's literally 8 more products in here. How is this only $50? They're all full-size products, so it's insane. So anyway, I'm gonna stop blabbing. This is the fall box. Let's get started. Okay, it always comes with a little magazine that talks about all the products and like does other fun stuff. Also, if you have a chance to win a trip somewhere with every box, you like post your box on Instagram or Twitter or wherever else and tag them and hashtag the giveaway thing, and you can enter to win a trip. Also, you always get a HelloFresh gift card. Wow, that's 80 bucks. That's a lot. $20 off your first 4 deliveries plus free shipping. Wow. Every time I get a box, I get a few $5 starter boxes to send out. So I always post on my Instagram when I get those, and whoever DMs me the first couple people who DM me are the people who get it. So follow me on Instagram in order to get a $5 box. This is what it looks like. Ooh, a hair towel. I love hair towels. I might keep this for a giveaway actually, because I already have so many of these. My mom and my grandma get them for me every Christmas because I love them. So this one I might save as a giveaway. Set that one aside. Let's think. Ooh, oh. So every month you get to choose like, it's not every month. It's 4 times a year. So every season you get to choose 3 items that you want in your box. And then the rest is random. And there's always like a mystery choice, a mystery one. Murad Resurgence Renewing Eye Cream. Ooh, lifts, nourishes, sorry, that's not what it says at all. Ultra Nourishing Eye Cream. Wow, so nice. Murad is such a good skincare brand. I'm obsessed. I'm so glad I got this. Okay, what's next? Humankind or human plus kind? Humankind, I would assume. Skincare with a Conscience. Naturally derived, vegan and cruelty-free body souffle. Oh, it is human and kind because it says www.humanandkind.com. So, human and kind. I'm in such a good mood right now. I just finished filming a review on this look, and I was super happy with all the products that I used. So now I'm just like in a pumped up mood, and I'm opening my FabFitFun. Like, what could be better? Oh my god, that smells so good. It smells like gardenia. That's like my favorite scent on earth. Exfoliating sugar cubes. Oh my god, these are so cute. Oh my god. Gently massage over wet skin, concentrating on rough patches. Oh my god, that smells like sour candy. Oh my god, like, you know those sour belts? They're like long. That's exactly what this smells like. I can't wait to use that. Wander Beauty. Oh my god, I love these eye masks. I've gotten these like single-use eye masks in my Ipsy bag before and Birchbox, and now I have the whole full-size box. Oh my god, 6 pairs. That makes me so happy. They're literally gold. Like, that's what they look like. if you've never used these before. They're literally gold. They make my eyes look so bright and happy and alive. Also, tip, if you put these little eye masks, most of these little eye masks are cooling. If you put them in the fridge though, like overnight, heaven. Also put your eye cream in the fridge overnight, so when you put it on in the morning, it's like cooling and like wakes you up. Love doing that. Baublebar! Oh my god, these are so pretty. Those are so gorgeous. Let's put these on right now. Actually, I think this was my choice, but I forget because that was a while ago. Wow, that is so pretty. Girl, the holidays are coming up. I'm gonna be wearing these all season. They're a little bit difficult to put on. My mom is making chicken noodle soup downstairs from scratch, and I'm like so excited. She's been cooking it literally the whole day. That's how you know it's gonna be good. I'm so excited because this rainy, cloudy weather is making me just want to do everything fall related. Eat soup. I was about to say blast fall candles. Oh my god! Okay, I cut myself off, but I'm just really excited for fall. I'm really excited for the season to change. Ooh! Damage Remedy Leave-In Treatment by Aveda. It's like a leave-in conditioner. Everything Aveda always smells so good. It's a huge thing in here. Oh! It's a friggin' Kate Spade lunchbox. First of all, I selected this when I chose my customization, but I was like I work from home. Didn't really need a lunchbox, but I was like, that's so cute. Kate Spade, oh my god. But I'm actually starting school at Bella's Academy at the end of October. I'm going to be taking the Master Makeup Artist course to get my makeup artist certification. So I'm super excited for that. I enrolled like a month ago and I still have another month to go before I start. And every day I'm just like waiting for school to start. But it's 8 hours a day, 5 days a week. So I'm gonna need a lunchbox now. It's like pretty spacious. You can put some ice packs in there. I'm super excited for school though, guys. Like, I just wanna be in the industry. I've been focusing on social media and just trying to like get involved in the space and just like do something I'm passionate about. Why would I not transition fully into that industry? So I'm making a huge change, a huge transition in my career, and just the possibilities are endless. So I'm super excited. Okay, anyways, I think that's it. So let's go over all the prices of everything now that we've got it all unboxed, and we'll calculate out the value of this box. As you can see, there's a lot of value. So the first thing, this Kate Spade lunch tote is $30. 30 doll hairs plus. This was the mystery item. It says the mystery item is $42 plus, but I just want to like get the actual price of this. Oh, this is $82. Okay. Girl. So $112 for two things already. So already worth the 50 bucks with the first two things. Next, we got these earrings. Gorgeous earrings. These are $34. $146. Hair wrap. That's $18. That's an expensive hair wrap. We're at $164. Then these Wander eye patches are $25. $189. Aveda leave-in conditioners, $30. $219. Juice Cleanse sugar cubes are $16. These I can't handle how good these smell. We're at $235. This is $18. So the full value of this box, my edition, $253. I paid 50 bucks. How is like, how is that even possible? I freaking love FabFitFun. It's seriously the best. And if you don't have it, like, you will not regret it if you sign up. And then they also like show you how to use your products that you got. There's little like how-tos and descriptions on each of the products. And then also this giveaway, if somebody wins this, who's it gonna be? Is it gonna be you? I'm just in the best mood. Thank you FabFitFun for blessing my life with all of these beautiful products. Okay, I'm gonna go eat some freaking chicken noodle soup and enjoy this fall weather that we're gonna have for 0.2 seconds. Comment down below if you have FabFitFun and what you think of it. We'll get some reviews going down there in the comments for all of you who don't have FabFitFun. Thank you for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified every time I post a video. I'll see you next time. Bye!